Your message is the foundation of your whole identity. To help you create and activate bold messaging, the public image method has tools. Use the core message builder to develop language you can use over and over again to explain what you do in engaging ways. It's a modular way to focus on parts of your core message, so you don't fall down a rabbit hole and worry about words and how they go together. Try to write one line for each of the sections. Don't worry about the perfect words. You'll edit it all together later.
Pro tip: you can use the core message builder for anything, like projects, events, campaigns, programs, anything you're promoting.
They are
one-line conversation starter. Try this formula to put the most important parts together. Name plus structure plus purpose, which is audience plus action. The need. Why is what you are doing needed? A time reference. Since 1996. Who are you? Who are the people in your organization? This can come before or after the How It Works section. How does it work? How do you work through your mission to achieve your goals? Why this approach? What is your unique perspective and why do you take it? Call to action. If you are trying to engage others, you should always end with a call to action. Now you have the building blocks for 3 different types of messages.
Let's see how that works on the Social Impact Studios examples.
One-line conversation starter. Social Impact Studios is a creative hub for engaging people in culture to act on important issues. Short introduction. Social Impact Studios is a creative hub for engaging people in culture to act on important issues. We believe positive, proactive messages should get the most attention in this noisy world. For more than 25 years, CIS creative activists have activated and amplified inspired ideas that make the world a better place. We turn goals into impactful plans, compelling messages, and dynamic multimedia design that drive positive impact. Let's work together. And a longer About Us message. Social Impact Studios is a creative hub for engaging people in culture to act on important issues. We believe positive, proactive messages should get the most attention in this noisy world. For more than 25 years, CIS creative activists have activated and amplified inspired ideas that make the world a better place. We turn goals into impactful plans, compelling messages, and dynamic multimedia design. Culture shapes us. It's the heartbeat of decisions and actions, and communication is its channel. Today, mainstream communication breeds confusion, hype, and fear, making difficult issues worse. At CIS, we are working to counter that with clear, authentic, and uplifting communication. When people are inspired to share their truth, they feel empowered. They stay focused and rally others to achieve their goals. When more dedicated people do that, we can make the better world that we envision. Social Impact Studios is a place to learn, collaborate, and do the work. Let's work together.
Did you notice that we started with the one-line conversation starter everywhere? It's okay, and actually better, to use the same core message over and over in different forms. It helps people process, understand, and remember.
Pro tip: your message starts with your name. Avoid defaulting to acronyms that aren't engaging or don't make sense on their own. And don't be afraid to tackle a name change if it's time for one.
Social Impact Studios did it.
The Public Image Works method also includes a full message catalog tool. You can use it to keep your core message and other important language like hashtags, program names, native land acknowledgement, and diversity, equity, and inclusion statements all in one place. Refer to it and share it within your organization so you don't have to reinvent the wheel, and so everybody's on the same page.
A note about the elevator pitch.
You don't need an elevator pitch.
Nobody speaks in elevator pitches.
The core message and the message catalog are not designed to be scripts. They are for developing written messaging that can also be a good reference for your verbal messaging too.
Stick with the flow verbally, But don't memorize and recite your messaging when you're speaking to real people. Ultimately, what's most important is that you're clear and bold about what matters most. I'm Ennis Carter, the Director of Social Impact Studios and the designer of the Public Image Works Method. The Public Image Works Method helps good people promote their great work